Are you sure you are in Zadar?
Yes, of course I'm sure.
You just have to listen. Listen closer.
I don't hear it at all. I don't hear anything.
It's called the sea organ.
It's called that for a reason, John.
Just trust me.
So you're saying that's the sea breeze making the notes?
Yes.
That's exactly what I've been telling you.
You know what? I do hear it. It's fantastic.
John, I don't have time for this.
You have to start trusting your fellow Croatians.
By the way, Luka, everyone was right. Croatia is beautiful. I love Dubrovnik, Split, Pula, the entire coast for that
John.
matter. Plus Zagreb was incredible.
John.
And Slovenia was so peaceful.
John.
Micika, Zagorje were fantastic.
John,
oh,
John,
and the
John,
food everywhere.
John! I have to go, I have training.
Training? Wait, are you still playing? How old are you, man?
Are you still acting? How old are you?
Okay, that's fair.
John, I have to go.
Yeah, okay. Have a good one.
And John,
Yeah?
Enjoy Croatia.
but please delete my number.
Thanks for nothing.